I'm scared, I'm nervous. Yeah, just excited. I'm trying to catch a reflection in your lens there. I'm not able to do it. Dear Sarah, feels so awesome to finally be here. I have the same butterflies now that I had on that Halloween night so many moons ago. It's amazing how much has changed, the world has changed around us since then, but all my feelings remain the same. And if 2020 is any indication of the world to come, the world will keep changing. But the message for me will always be the same. I love you, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Love, Sam.
Thank you for always being you and bringing out the best in me. You are my biggest challenge, my safest place, and my best friend. I promise to always laugh at your corny jokes and help you chase your dreams. I can't wait to continue our lives together and start our family together. I'm so grateful to be forever yours.
Woo!
But over the years of Sam and Sarah being together, and there's a lot of them, we have learned it's just more than one-liners and starting conversations. The real good stuff is building relationships, finding someone who's there for you as you grow and change as a person through the crazy college nights, the stressful first jobs, and your first fur baby. You both have helped us be better men. And this wall right here has been so happy to be there to witness it all.
With this ring,
I
give you my heart.
I give you my heart.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
you shall not walk alone.
you shall not walk alone.
May my heart be your shelter.
May my heart be your shelter.
May my arms be your home.
May my arms be your home.
To find a partner to walk through life with you, especially at such a young age, is truly a blessing. We wish you a continued life of love and happiness, chasing dreams, and doing big things.
We couldn't imagine our sister with anyone else and are so lucky to have Sam as the brother we always wanted. It's about freaking time.
And I'm so happy to finally say it and get out of the way. You may kiss the bride.